What's up guys, it's this guy back at it again for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw another picture using Turtle Graphics. Well, you're going to have to program it, so yeah, this time it's going to be a bit more complex and the output is going to be very fantastic and you're going to love it when it's done. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is write import turtle. Once you've wrote that, you're gonna want to write t space equal to turtle dot pen. So we basically just gave a value to t, so we don't always have to write turtle dot, well, I spelled turtle wrong. So you basically don't have to give it right in turtle dot pen every time it asks for turtle dot pen. So we just assigned it as t, which is more simpler. So we're gonna write turtle dot bg color parentheses quotations black. So what this is going to do is make the background color black so we can see it more clearly, and yeah, let's move into the fourth line of code. T dot speed parentheses 0. Now what you want to do is, this is where it gets a bit harder or like more complex, so make sure you're following along and not skipping ahead. So what you want to do is write sides equal to eval parentheses space input parentheses quotes enter a number of sides between 2 and 6. Close the quotes, close parentheses. I forgot a colon. Space. Okay, now after the 6 you put a colon and then you hit a space. And close parentheses. Another space, close everything together with another parentheses. So what this piece of code is saying, it's basically asking us to input a number between 2 and 6, and it's going to follow that amount of sides and output it in the drawing Turtle Graphics. So we're gonna, for example, if I put in 3, then it's gonna output 3 sides and it's gonna be pretty cool, the shape. So let's move on to the 6th line of code. Colors space equal to eval parentheses space input parentheses quotes what color do you want it, colon space, end it off with another quote, close the parentheses, another space, close the parentheses. So this is basically the same as the first one we did. It's just asking what color we want it, and we're gonna input it in as a string. So that's the bit complex part, so let's move on to the easier parts. So for x in range, parentheses, 360, close parentheses, colon, we're gonna enter it. Okay, now the 8th line of code, make sure it's indented, so otherwise it won't follow if you left it like that. So make sure it's indented. So if you want to indent it, just hit tab, and I'll go for 4 spaces, and you'll be good. So t.pen color parentheses colors bracket x percentage size, close the bracket, close the parentheses, and there we go. Now let's just finish this up real quick. We only have about 4 lines of code left, and you'll be left, once it's done, you'll be left with an amazing result. So let's finish it up. So t.forward parentheses x times space 3 backward slash sides plus x space x. So make sure you put a space between all of these, not here. And if you got a bit lost, just pause the video, go back, and you can fix that. Okay. T dot width, so we're gonna be focusing on the width. Parentheses x times sides. X times sides, backward slash 200. And there we go. The final line of code, and we're gonna finish it up real quick. So t dot left parentheses 90 close parentheses, and there we go. Let's hit the run script. We're gonna save it. I'm gonna save it as rubber band ball because it looks like a rubber band. There we go. Okay, so look at that. It's asking us enter a number of sides between 2 and 6. So let's put 4. Click enter. What color do you want it? So this is gonna mess a few people up. So the way you can't just write in red, because if you do that, it's not gonna register. So we need to define red. So we're gonna do bracket, regular bracket, close the bracket, so it's gonna be a bit faster. So since we did 4 sides, we need to put in 4 colors. So let's do red, comma, space, another quote, orange, comma, yellow, comma, blue. Make sure you put in the quotes. So blue, so we have 4 colors, and enter that. Go to Python, and look at that. That's pretty cool. So if we do like 3 sides, it's gonna look pretty cool, and yeah, it looks like a hypnotizing square. So the bigger it gets, the more what do you call it? The more like you can't see the black background, so it basically gets more dense the more out you go. So let's try it again with another color. So we're gonna hit stop and we're gonna run it again. Okay, let me put 3. Make sure you have 1 space before you enter it in, otherwise it's not gonna let you do it. So we're gonna put bracket. Let's do some nice colors. Okay. Aqua, comma, space, other quote, blue. Let's do some yellow, space, yellow. Okay, so let's hit enter, and it's gonna do that. It's pretty cool. And yeah. So, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. And peace out.